Kani gade ke Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi ka arpo terek ujemang. Arngot ki Dkhot bala khamrem jong ka kanhon king atiar na kanigari luam khasi jantia. Ka nyo trap National Liberation Council. Ki badai ru Shikurim. Kilawan Pyndem wajno hakmat menteri ketnat ki kampoyeng jong ka sarkar jela u James PK Sangma. Rengkat ke jingdon lang u Director General of Police ke jela u Dr. SB Singh bat ki wei de ki he pulen. Hak jelang ke balengkon ke balalong hapok police headquarter hak ni ke Nongbah Shillong. Kini ki Shikurim ki balawan Pyndem wajno Hnlc kasngi ki kentop yu ba ai bor lang thong ni lai phun terus nam karta u ba nak Shillong maupot jong ka Southwest Castles District balalet penyeso bat ke Hnlc nadu usnam arjar iwei bat ulayo jehikai siat sulai na Chittagong jong kari Bangladesh. Kat ba ka kurem jong upat ke de kong Rishalin simle ar penyos nam karta ke badai nak Shillong Pot Jaut Southwest Castles District bat ke balalet penyeso bat ke seng Hnlc nadu ba kadang kat saus nam karta. Bat kani kalong kemeru kalayo jihika siat sulai ha Chittagong hi jong kari Bangladesh. Ke Kongres Challenge imne ke deru ke Dkhot ke badan ke jidai ke baya janbha bat ki Dkhot balarim jong ke Hnlc. Kini ki arngot kelai poikha haus nam arja khatlai bat menta kedan arngot ki khon.
I welcome them and congratulate them and their families on the bold step that they have taken today. They have decided to shun the path of violence and have come back to their homes to take their place amongst their brothers and sisters. It is a step taken in the correct direction and one involving courage and determination. I also congratulate the people of Meghalaya as peace is returning to the state, and with today's decision on part of these ex-members of the Hnlc, it will be on a more firm footing. I also congratulate the government officers and the state police force and other stakeholders who have contributed to the peace process both in the eastern and western regions of the state. I have been briefed that Srimati Rishalin CMLA joined the organization when she was only 14 years old. I think you would agree that you would appreciate the hardships she had to undergo, and it is with the blessings of God that today she has returned to her family. When I had visited the police headquarters for the first time, cadres from the GNLA, the Garo National Liberation Army, had come out of the organization and had laid down their weapons. Today, one brother and sister from Hnlc have come out in similar fashion, and I assure them that we welcome them and we will welcome all who abjure the path of violence. The Honourable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya have repeatedly stated that we are committed to rehabilitate those brothers and sisters who would give up activities associated with banned organizations. But there will be no negotiations with any group or organizations. I reiterate our commitment for the same.
Marki kun gikti ni la dan ko ban sopan san ki kun gikti la sai la sini kadang ko ban selendar hajung lang kena jong atma ngasak pensoi kinam pendrong ki bayalam yang astero ngam kan maksud re pengadang kena rata ngampat sutu kau senong le senongan wan saja ni ki bahayang hasam te susi hi so kunja hi ki bahayang hasam la jong tu abet hi bandon lang bansa lang kakam kaseng ngampat tip re kumna katrai kakam kaseng kumno kitrai kumno ki paniya je katar ngam tip re ngam don jengrang jeng stat tak nget ro kim ai kami ngat mensuate ngasa hi bi bashe te naduk bang ayo brio klam sa sure bdi
ki la yo training
ada training ki je training te bun ki training tang kerteng ki taki jing lek kai ro ngabam nang don jing nang start ngitip kerteng
yo bat tiar ya le ye
tiar te ngalabat he
kumbai kre ni lek tema ngaro pakhat ko ba shukrang ni ba jing tunga apno ma pendap ki khon ki log amla ngasong stiro amla ban pendap ki log ko pakhat ki kalau yang jing alam juga seng kata nanti jing ya ka kalian juga ada don ni rai dengan perkat tong ta kikon gilok jong ai bangwan sendar
thun ta
don isti ba don khandai snya
khandai
maka jing im juga te ngapri ngatung di hor ngarep po tama kita ikam juga isti
chu syai kai ban batiar batar
katiar pat jiyo syai kai katiar
tong ban rep
tong ban
Don haka sen haka dai snap don bentan yang kam di ang
ai kam bi ai pat don
kam pilih lah por don sen
kam pengadong sing kita ikam juga pengadong sing kita ikam kajing long kena wa lagi pol dan kapsan kan dus nama dari jing syai ram bakal
bono bela me pi shu
Bayalam ngai ba Indonesia entah layak. Kimber juga seng mar dimla ban ong sa kan mon la ka jo jong ya sa. Ka jingai te juga sa jingai juga sa jong ki produsen dia don. Akan tui ko uruk barang don. So pakiru kila ban wan ko ba wan mangi.